Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at CVS and we are here to do the deals of the week of the 4th of July until the 10th. Yes, there is a birthday bag in the back seat. Yesterday was Aaron's birthday. So, I hope everyone had a great and safe 4th of July. We had a really fun 4th of July. It was very low key because it was super hot. So we just laid low, but we had a really good time with our family and friends. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Sarah. I'm a little bit on the quirky, dorky side of the couponing community. So if you like that sort of thing, stick around and hit the subscribe button. Hit the notification bell so you get all of my posts and videos and stories. And then if you like some of the videos, please hit the thumbs up button. So later on in the video, I will be announcing the winner of the $50 CVS gift card. And then I will tell you about a new giveaway that I'm doing. But that is it, guys. So let's go inside and see what we can do. So the first thing we're going to grab is the monofoil. It is $9.99 on sale, and it is an unadvertised deal. So what we're going to do is grab one of these here, and we're going to pay the $9.99. We'll get back a $9 extra buck, making it just 99 cents, and pay no mind to that Colgate. Next is the Clairol. The Clairol is buy two, get a $4 extra buck, and they are $8.29 a piece at my store. So we're going to grab two of these, and then we are going to use the 6 off 2 paper coupon from the 627 Smart Source. The 6 off 2 digital coupon is attaching to this as well, even if you use the paper coupon. And then I have a 2 off 2 Clairol CRT. That's going to bring my total down to $2.98. I'll get back $4 in extra bucks, making it free, and a $1.02 moneymaker. Now let's go on to the next transaction. So next we're going to do the Colgate, and I'm going to grab this fresh mint stripe. I was trying to grab that gum protection, but I grabbed the $5.79 one instead. So we are going to grab 4 of these at $3.99 a piece. Our total will equal out to $15.96, but then we have a ton of coupons to make this a huge moneymaker. So we got a 4 off 2 digital coupon this past Sunday that we can use on this. We have a $2 off digital coupon that we can use as well. And then I have a $1 off of 1 paper coupon from the 627 Smart Source that I'm going to use. Then we have the 4 off 2 instant coupon from the previous week. And then I have a 4 off 16 Colgate CRT. And that brings my total down to just 96 cents. I'll get back $12 in extra bucks, making this an $11.04 moneymaker, which is just absolutely crazy. Next, we are going to grab some Physicians Formula. Physicians Formula is spend 10, get back a $7 extra buck, which is a pretty good deal. I am going to grab a lip product, but my lip products do not meet the 98% rule. So I did find this lip gloss for $10.29 that's down way low. I have a 3 off of 9 lip product cosmetics CRT. That's going to bring your total down to $7.29. You'll get back $7 in extra bucks, making this guy here just 29 cents. Next is the freebie, and I chose to get the Beauty 360 Premium Cotton Rounds because I use these almost every day. These are $4.19. Just make sure it's clipped to your account, and this came off totally fine, making it free. Next, we're going to do a razor scenario, and this is kind of a lot, but we're going to grab 2 of the Venus razors at $9.99 a piece. They're buy 2, get back a $10 extra buck, but I am going to show you the other items first before I get into all the coupons. So then we're going to grab 2 of these Vanilla Skin razors. They are $9.49 a piece. The disposables are buy one get one 50% off, and spend 15, get back a $5 extra buck. And since we're going to be a little bit short, I am going to grab these guys right here at $6.59. So the total for all of the razors is $40.80. We're going to use 2 $3 off coupons for the Venus razors from the July P&G, and then we're going to use a 4 off 2 digital coupon for the Skintimate razors. Then I have 4 off 2 Skintimate Razor CRTs, and those do stack together just fine. And then I have a 4 off of 20 Venus Razor CRT, a $2 off the Schick Hydro Touch-Up Razors CRT, and then we're going to use that $5 off of 4 Razor Oral Care or Deodorant instant coupon that everyone got this week. And that will bring your total down to $13.80. You will get back $15 in extra bucks, 10 for the Venus, 5 for the Skintimate, making them free and $1.20 moneymaker. Now, if your Skintimate razors are closer to $10, then you won't have to add in that Hydro Silk face touch-up thingy at all, but that's what I had to do to make it work for me. Next, we're going to grab the Clairol again, and this time, instead of using a 2 off 2 Clairol CRT, I actually have a $3 off Clairol CRT. So what's going to happen is that is going to bring my total down to $1.98 after using the insert coupon and the digital coupon, making these both free and a $2.02 moneymaker. Next, we're going to do some body wash. The Love Beauty and Planet body wash is spend $15, get back a $5 extra buck. We are going to grab 2 of these at $10.29 a piece. There's some other brands that are included, but I wanted to try this deal out. And I really love the Love Beauty and Planet brand, so I was really excited to be able to try this. So like I said, we're going to grab 2 of these at $10.29 a piece. They're going to equal out to $20.58. We're going to use that buy one get one free paper coupon from the $6.27 save insert. I also have a 2 off 8 body wash CRT. So that is going to bring our total down to $8.59 for both of them, but then we'll get back a $5 extra buck, making these $3.59 for both of them, or just $1.80 a piece, and I will definitely take that for a much more expensive brand of body wash and coming from a really good brand like this one. So now we're going to do our spend 30, get back a $10 extra buck. So we're going to grab some feminine care because this is really such an amazing deal on the feminine care. I'm going to grab 2 of the Tampax at 2 for $8. And then I'm going to go over and grab some of the Always pads, also 2 for $8. But if you really want to maximize on this deal, I have seen some people get also the Always liners because we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon for this and a 3 off 2 paper coupon for this. I am not going to grab those. I'm going to go over and grab some Tide Pods for $4.94. We're just going to grab the 1 package, and then I am going to grab right behind my cart there, I'm going to grab some Charmin. I'm going to grab an 8 roll count of the Mega Charmin for $9.99. So all of those items are going to equal out to $30.93. We have this $2 off paper coupon for the Tide from the July P&G. We also have a $1 off coupon for the Charmin, also from the P&G. And then we have some paper coupons for the Tampax and the Always, both $3 off of 2. And then we are also going to use digital versions of the 3 off 2 Always and the 3 off 2 Tampax. But then we're also going to use a 3 off 3 feminine care CRT, a 2 off of 16 feminine care CRT, and a $3 off of 9 Charmin CRT, which is one of my favorite CRTs, by the way. So that is going to bring our total down to $7.93. We will get back a $10 extra buck, making all of these items free and a $2.07 moneymaker. That has not happened in a very, very long time, and not ever happened with Charmin. So I am so happy about this. Okay guys, so we are back in from CVS and everything went great. Everything was just a huge, huge moneymaker. But the thing is that the girl that checked me out, she was very nice, but she hit total first, which it meant that any extra bucks that I had on my card, plus all my CRTs, come off first. So then when it went time to scan my coupons, there was a problem. And she was insistent that everything would be fine. And then when she went to scan my coupons, there was issues. Thankfully, one of the people that work here that sees me every week was like, is there a problem? There's never problems with her. What's happening? And so he's like, just go ahead and void the transaction and I'll take care of her. And, you know, I was just like, oh, okay, that's fine. And then everything worked out totally fine. So before we get into the numbers and all the nitty gritty, I want to show you something really quick. And it also is a giveaway if you are interested. So I got this bottle and it's called the Coldest Water Bottle. And this thing is amazing. Now, like I said earlier in the video, I don't have air conditioning, and this thing held ice for 3 days in this bottle, and it did not sweat at all. So I take this with me everywhere that I go, and it is amazing. This sits in my car. I go into Target, I go into CVS, I do multiple stores in a day. It doesn't sweat, and it's just amazing. It keeps the water super, super cold. So I love that I can shop all day or most of the day and always have cold water and cold drinks in the car. With that being said, there is a link down below in the description box that if you use my code that you will get 10% off. And there is also a giveaway with a link for that as well if you are interested. So let's talk about some numbers. So my first transaction, I did a few of the same things. In my second transaction, mainly the Clairol and the Colgate, everything for that went totally fine. Well, kind of. It went fine, but I made a mistake. So apparently there is some Colgate that is buy two, get four. It's still $3.99 and all the same coupons attached. So there was the gum protection, the big size and the little size. And when I was going to grab them, I didn't realize they were different. And so I grabbed the bigger size of the Colgate gum protection, and that one is for the buy two, get four. So make sure you're getting the smaller sizes. So when I did it again the second time here at this store, it was totally perfect. Everything worked out totally fine. It was still an $8 moneymaker. It was still an $8 moneymaker, but I made the mistake. So I'm not going to split hairs over that. So for my first transaction, I got the Clairol, the Colgate, and the Monofoil, and my total was $12.57. I got back $21 in extra bucks, making it an $8.43 moneymaker. And I'll show you the receipt here in a second. So on my second transaction, which I call my main transaction, that one went smoothly as well. The total for that was $39.66. I, of course, did not pay that. I used extra bucks and a Fluz gift card to bring that down even further. And so it made using that Fluz gift card, it made me have a bigger moneymaker, because when I got that gift card, I got back $3.80. So my total was $39.66, and I got back $53 in extra bucks, making it a $13.34 moneymaker. So here is the transaction to my first receipt. There is the Monofoil, the Colgate, and the Clairol. So here is the Colgate coupons and the Clairol coupon. There's the buy four, get $5 off instant coupon that everyone should have gotten. The 4 off 16 Colgate, the 2 off 2 Clairol, an extra buck that I got here, and a beauty buck. So you count the $10 extra buck that you used and part of the $3 extra buck that you used here. So that brought my total down to $0. But you're going to add in the extra bucks that you used as $12.73. And I got back $21 in extra bucks, it free, and an $8.43 moneymaker. And let's look at the extra bucks. Here is the $8 extra buck for that Colgate. I don't know how that happened, but it happened. But we can't dwell on it. There's the $4 for the Clairol and the $9 for the Monofoil, or however you say it. And here is the receipt for my larger transaction. This is everything that I got. But let's look at this down here. So here are all of my coupons. My $2 off Colgate Digital, the $6 off Clairol, the 4 off 2 Skintimate or Chic, the Pantax, the Tampax, the Colgate 4 off 2, the Always, the free Beauty 360 tool or cotton rounds, the buy 4 get $5 off, the 4 off 2 Colgate, the 4 off 2 Skintimate, the 4 off 20 Venus, The 4 off 2 Skintimate again, because those do stack. A $3 off Clairol CRT, a 3 off 9 Charmin CRT, a 3 off 3 Feminine Care CRT, a 3 off 9 Cosmetic Lip CRT, a 2 off 8 Body Wash CRT, a $2 off Schick Hydro Razor CRT, which I thought that was a digital coupon, but whatever. And then a 2 off 16 Feminine Care CRT that got reduced down to 80 cents. And these are all of the extra bucks that I use, and that brought my total down to $4.25. So then that brought my total to $39.66. I got back $53 in extra bucks, and then I also paid with a Fluz gift card right here. So let's look at the extra bucks. Here's the $10 for spending $30. Here is the $5 for the body wash, $10 for the Gillette or Venus, $12 for the Colgate, $5 for the Schick, $7 for the Physicians Formula, and $4 for the Clairol. And now for the winner of the $50 CVS gift card is Monica R. She signed up for Fluz as a new member, and she was entered into the giveaway along with many others, and she is the one that won. If you can contact me at the email down below, I will be able to send your gift card out right away. So please contact me by Thursday. And that is all, guys. I think I covered everything. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you comment, like, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.